This video, from OS College, explains how to create a PDF document from another document. This can be performed in Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This can be done through downloading the document as a PDF. And it can be done through sending the document as an attachment in an email. There is not a function to export a document to your Google Drive document manager directly. For downloading a current document as a PDF, click the File menu in the document. Highlight the Download submenu. Then click PDF. Your document will be downloaded to the folder you specified in your web browser. Emailing the document can be done directly through the document. Click the File menu. Highlight the Email submenu. Click Email this file. An Email this file dialog will appear. The drop-down menu in this dialog has several choices. One is PDF. Select it, if it isn't already selected. Type the email addresses. Change the subject line, if desired. And add a message, if desired. When you are done, click the Send button. The document is now sent as a PDF in an email. This video, from OS College, showed how to export a document to PDF. It can be in Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These on the OS College YouTube channel, its Facebook page, and MeWe page. For those watching on YouTube, click the subscribe and like icons to receive notifications about new videos about various apps. The video is also on the Download and Email Google Documents page on oscollege.com. Thank you for watching.